how to remove Visa card from Foodpanda. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove Visa card from Foodpanda. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Foodpanda app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on this hamburger menu option. Then you have to tap on Panda Pay. After that, you have to tap on Change, which is next to Payment Methods. Then you have to tap on any of the cards that you want to remove. Here, just click on Remove Card. So that's how you can remove Visa card from Foodpanda. That's all for this video.